Last month, I pointed AI at my account, and it found income opportunities I didn't know I had. Then it walked me through the pros and cons of each of those opportunities and how to consider playing them out in a trade. That's when it hit me. Many of us are using one of the most powerful tools of our lifetime, mainly to write emails. And we're leaving the one thing that actually compounds, the shares we already own, and we're leaving that completely alone. I want to change that. On Saturday, I'm going to run the exact prompt live on a real account that I did on my own account, and you'll watch it work start to finish. Now, 5,000 years ago, someone invented the wheel. Everything a human could carry at the time, move or build, changed on that day, but nobody alive at the time understood what had really just happened to their lives going forward. I personally feel like we're living through the second variation of that right now, which is one of the main reasons that I'm running a free live session this Saturday to show you exactly how I use AI. There's going to be more details on that at the end of this video, but if you're viewing this and it's past Saturday, August 29th, I urge you to still do the registration at the end, and I'll send you the free recording that you can view instantly. So I want to be straight with you. This is going to be kind of a combination of an AI course and a trading strategy. The reason I'm doing it that way is I think the trading strategy is very important, and it's an easy to understand and use strategy that anybody that has more than 100 shares in an IRA can do. But the AI component is going to be key here. This is the piece of the puzzle that I really want to sink in with people and be able to apply it in many, many other ways in their financial life as well as their general day-to-day life. So two wheels, of course, the first one dramatically changed history. And I think this second one, not so much the wheel itself, but AI, I think is going to have an equal impact on our lives going forward. And today I'm going to apply it to the wheel strategy. On Saturday, I'm going to explain all about the course and how it's designed to teach you the proper wheel strategy, start to finish. But again, the wheel is just the vehicle. In the course, you're also going to get 4 key AI prompts that I took weeks to build and that I use on my own account. And in this Saturday's event, you're going to watch me run the main one live during that event. Or again, if you get this after Saturday, you can watch the recording. Now, if you end up going through the course, by the time you get to the end of the course, you're going to fully know how to write your own AI prompts. It's an entire section of the course. So there's lots of people out there looking for quote unquote side gigs. How can I bring in some additional money? Well, almost every way to put money to work asks you to start something new. This one doesn't. This again is going to be repurposing something you probably already have. Common examples of things people do for side gigs is rental properties. You've got a deposit, a mortgage, you've got tenants, you've got repairs, you got a phone that rings at midnight with a plugged sink or toilet. Another one is running an online business, starting that online business, doing months of pre-work before your first dollar ever comes in. And there's often substantial cash outlays that have to happen before that first dollar as well. Many people look forward to buying more stock that they can potentially generate dividends off of. Now, what I'm going to share with you in this session is how to use shares you already own. You don't have to buy anything new. You don't have to plan to start a new business. You don't have to go buy a rental property. If you already have shares and you've got more than 100 shares of something in your account that's moderately liquid, on Saturday, I'm going to run the prompt and show you how you might be able to generate income off of that. And I'm even going to go one better. For those of you that sign up for this, I'm also going to send you that exact prompt so that you can run it on your own account. So any of you that have been around the options world for any time likely understand that the strategy that I'm going to be using here is called the wheel strategy. In the wheel strategy, we start off by selling a cash secured put, and we might do that multiple times, taking in premium before that stock finally gets put to us. Ultimately, we will own 100 shares of something, Once we take assignment, we start selling covered calls against that position. We're basically going out and deciding a point we'd be happy selling that stock. We sell the covered call at that point. We take in premium. Many times we'll do that over and over and over again before the stock gets called away from us. But eventually it will get called away. When it does, we basically sold our 100 shares at a price we were willing to do that at, and now we have a lump amount of cash again, and we decide where to go from there. Do we go and start the cycle all back over on the same symbol? For many of us, that answer is yes, but you may also choose to go through the process of selecting a totally different underlying stock at that point. So while the course overall is about the wheel strategy, the equally important part is how I apply the use of AI to it and how I teach you to use AI going forward as well. So section number 1 of the course is going to be the foundation. This is going to be the course introduction and the overview. Section number 2 is going to be how we choose the underlying stocks that we might want to own and run the wheel on, and how we get paid to wait. So basically a very detailed process running through a pre-built screener that I share with you on how to narrow the field of 8,000 stocks down to just a handful. And once we have that handful, we apply the AI prompt to find out the best potential wheel candidates. Then we get into a whole section of how the cash secured put works. We're going to talk about the numbers that matter, some specific Greeks that are important in this particular environment. Then we're going to build a watch list. That's going to be using one of the prompts from the course. Then we're going to talk about rolling that cash secured put. Many times we've sold that put, we've taken in premium, but at some point we might want to roll it down or out. That put can either go strongly in our favor to where we can close it out at a nice profit, or the stock might start working its way against us, in which case I have a decision to make. And that's where the prompt can help immensely in that process. Ultimately, you're going to get assigned the shares of stock. That is our goal. That's what we want. Then once we get assigned, we're going to go through a whole process in the course where we discuss the covered call. This is where we get paid to wait. We're going to build out a call using AI. This particular prompt right here is the one I'll be sharing on Saturday. The reason I'm doing that as opposed to the cash secured put is because not everybody has money sitting on the sidelines to go and run a naked put with. However, almost everyone will have 100 shares of some type of liquid stock, either in an investment account or ideally in an IRA. So that's the prompt I'm going to run on Saturday. That's the prompt I'll also be giving to those of you that sign up. Then there's one last prompt of when this moves. So when this moves in our favor or when this might move against us. How do we decide when to roll that call, how to roll that call, or even if we should roll that call, or if we should just let our shares get called away from us. In the course, I'm going to specifically go through 3 live examples: BKNG, PayPal, and EFA. In all cases, you're going to see me in a live position. You're going to see me run a prompt analyzing those positions and seeing the output that the prompt gave me and then how I handled the position at that point. Ultimately, our shares are going to get called away. Then there's a whole section about now what? Where do we go from there? In section 4 of the course, it's going to cover what's called running it well. This is where we get into the nuances, the tips and tricks of running the wheel strategy specifically. And then section 4.2, in my mind, this is the real gold. Section 4.2 is where we get into writing your own prompts. Now, I'm going to give you a core basic sample prompt, but then I'm going to show you how to make it yours, how to go in and put in all the specific things that are going to be important to have in any strong and viable prompt, and then how to test that prompt. And everything I'm going to share here is going to deal with the financial aspect of using AI. All that said, what I'm going to teach you could easily be used anywhere in the rest of your life. It could be used for developing prompts to plan a dinner party, plan a trip, plan a major purchase like a car, or in my case right now, living in Southern California where it's been 110 every day for the past week and a half. It's all about buying a new HVAC system for me, a new air conditioning system. So once you know how to write a proper prompt, you can use that for pretty much anything in your life. Now, in section 5, this is a bonus section. This is really beyond the basics of the wheel. This gets into some more interesting options trades that I'll be sharing here. One is going to be the collar. So this is where we can insure a given position against a large downside move. Now, that might end up being really important here before too long. Our markets, by most people's standards, are pretty overinflated right now. So you have a couple options if you think that. One, you can sell your current stock, but of course there's tax consequences with that. Or you can buy insurance on that stock, basically insuring it against a significant drop. And in this particular segment, I'm going to show you how to do that for little to no cost. Then we're going to get into the bull put spread. This is essentially selling that cash secured put, but a way you can do it in a much smaller account. If you can't afford to take assignment on 100 shares of stock in your account, this is going to be for you. Then I'm going to get into the ratio tent spread. In this particular trade, I'm going to show you how to basically really fatten up that premium area where you can get paid that extra premium in just the right location on that stock without additional risk beyond the traditional wheel. Then we're going to get into the poor man's covered call, ways that you can collect that covered call premium on a regular basis if you can't afford 100 shares of a given stock. Then we're going to talk about hedging or flattening deltas. In other words, cutting downside risk on positions that I might want to keep. I don't want to sell out of the position. I don't necessarily want to pay for insurance on those positions, but I would like to get some significant rental out of those positions in the meantime and flatten my deltas, basically take some risk off the table. And then finally, I have an entire prompt that I'm going to teach to you about portfolio cleanup. This is a prompt that I specifically used where I pointed it at my entire IRA account that had 50 plus positions in it, and I asked for complete AI analysis on that account. It came back with a recommendation to me to take all of those positions, liquidate them since they were in an IRA and there wasn't a tax consequence to me, and instead move into 7 different ETF positions and treat them in a certain way. Based on its analysis, I would be able to have overall lower volatility and risk in my portfolio, and I'd be able to generate monthly cash flow out of it as well, more so than it was currently providing to me. And finally, in the course, there's going to be a section on tools that I use. Option Strat is one I use. There's a full 45-minute walkthrough on Option Strat. And then Option Trader's Assistant is another one that I literally use on a daily basis for managing all of my stock and options positions. I've included a full 40-plus minute demonstration on that tool as well. And in both cases, I've provided links that will give you free trials to both of these programs. So overall, the course contains 6+ hours of instructions, 25 different video lessons across 6 different segments, and then 4 copy and paste AI prompts, 3 live trades that I'll be teaching you, and as I mentioned, probably the most important thing, teaching you how to write your own prompts in an effective manner. But in addition, if you end up purchasing the course, you'll also have a community. This is a community of people that will be trading this same strategy. You'll be able to ask questions, get them answered by me and other members of the community. You'll be able to see what other people are doing in the community on real live positions. You'll be able to share and post trades that you're thinking about and ask for feedback from other people in the community. One final thing to note, all of my courses are living things. Particularly AI is moving fast, so a course that doesn't move with it is kind of worthless in a short amount of time. When prompts improve, when AI technologies improve, I will put out new segments to the course. When a new technique earns its place, I'll add a lesson. Every update forever at no additional charge to you. I'm working on something new right now that I hope may land before the end of this year. It will be the first course update, most likely. One final thing, again, I'll talk about this more on Saturday, but there's no reason not to try this. This course has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you purchase this course and within 30 days you don't think it does what you wanted it to do, just let me know and I'll give you a full refund on it. Who is this discussion for? You need to come if you own shares. If you own 100 shares of something and you want to find a way to generate income off it, this is perfect for you. If you want to actually learn how to use AI on something that matters, your financial life, this is going to be perfect for you. If you're looking for something that's going to be quick, fast money, a signal to copy, a specific one trade that I'm telling you to make, this is not the right place. If you're looking for a bot or an AI to trade for you, this isn't the right place either. So I'd urge you to sign up for the course. It's Saturday, August 29th, 8 a.m. Pacific time. Simply scan that QR code or go to the link in the description below and get yourself signed up. If you're viewing this after Saturday, August 29th, again, still sign up and register, and I'll send you the replay instantly. Now, there's probably some of you saying, you know what? I don't want to watch that session. Just give me the prompt. Well, if all you're about is getting that prompt and understanding what it is and how it works, scan this QR code. I'm happy to send that to you as well. And of course, before you go, the standard disclaimers here. I'm going to be showing things that were my live results. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading options does carry risk with it. They're not suitable for all investors. Everything I share is for educational purposes and not a specific trade recommendation. The AI prompts that I'll be sharing with you will surface potential opportunities for you, but at the end of the day, you need to evaluate those against your own personal goals and objectives and decide whether or not to go forward with them. I'd also urge you to talk to a financial advisor if you have any questions about any of this content. So with that, I'm going to hope to see you Saturday, and we'll cover all of this in more detail. Take care, everyone.